Hi, in this video we'll take a look at how you can restore your iPhone XS back to the default factory or from one of the backup. So first we're just going to plug in the phone to the computer with the USB cable or the lightning cable, and then I'm just going to tap on trust. Make sure your computer you have turned on iTunes. So open up iTunes and just wait for the iTunes to recognize the iPhone XS. Okay, it wants to update, so I'll just cancel the update right now. You can also download an update if you wanted to, if there is a new update. Now click on the icon, the phone icon right there. And here you can click on Restore iPhone at the top here. Or you can restore from backup. So if you click on Restore from backup down here, you can choose which backup you want to restore the backup. So here is a couple that you can choose, and then you just have to click on Restore to restore the backup to your phone. Now if you want to restore your phone back to the factory default, so you want to have it brand new fresh iOS installed on your phone, you can click on the Restore button right here. And then it asks do you want to back up before you restore, because restoring will basically erase everything on your phone that you have at the moment. So it's giving you the chance to perform a backup before you're restoring back to factory default, so that at a later point you can always restore the data on your phone back to the phone. So in this case, if you don't want to, you just simply click on Don't Backup, and then it says Restore and Update, because there is a new update. So you can click on Restore and Update, and once you click on that, it will start to download, and then it will try to restore your phone back to the factory default. Now I'm just going to cancel this, and I want to show you something else. You can also press on the shift button on the keyboard and then click on Restore Phone, and what this does is it basically allow you to restore from a file that you have already downloaded onto your computer. So here is all the files I have downloaded. So here it is, the file. So we can also simply click on that file and then click on Restore, and you can see it will extract the software and it will try to restore the phone. So this way you don't have to download the software. So I have previously downloaded the iOS file onto the computer, so I don't need to download it again. And using this method I can simply just restore directly from the file that is already downloaded. If not, you have to wait for the download. The file can be around 2.6 to 3 GB, and that can take some time to download depending on your internet connections. So it's extracting the software at the moment, and here you go. You can see now the phone is actually preparing for the restore. So over here you can see it's waiting for iPhone, and the restore is carrying out at the moment. So you just have to watch the progress bar to finish, and that's it. That's how you can restore your iPhone XS either from a backup or from a brand new iOS, so that you will start your phone fresh again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.